Hello, my name is Nick, and now we're going to make this beautiful glider, also, as I call it, the Stricker. Now, what we do first is that we take the left half and fold it up to the right half. Make sure that your crease are very sharp. Then flatten the crease. Now, take the left corner and fold it to the crease as a landmark. And do the same thing to the other side. Then what you do is that you take this tip, fold it all the way up, crease sharply. Then what you do after that is that you take this part and fold it to this crease, all the way till there. Then you do the same thing to the same side. Alright, now we're almost done, but first you take this corner on the left, then fold it until you reach it all the way to the crease, like this. Then you do it to the same side. Alright, this is how it looks so far. Then what you do is that you take it, now fold it, flip it upside down, then fold it outside like this, and crease, then take your wing and just fold it down. And do the same thing to the same side. And there you go. That's how you make the Stricker plane.
And watch those other videos of small dogs.